is Riley.
Hi, my name is Reagan.
Hi, my name is Dr. Wentz.
And today we're going to be interviewing Dr. Wentz.
How do you think we can use the moral, treat others how you want to be treated in school?
What a great question. And that moral is so important both in school and outside of school. If we treat every day like using that moral, so treat others like you want to be treated, and we always treat people with kindness and respect, we will always be able to think about how we are going through school and life and being kind to one another. So I think when you are doing things and you're interacting with other people, if you always think when you do something and think, is this how I would want to be treated? If the answer is yes, then you're doing a great job. If the answer is no, then you want to rethink what you're doing and do something different. If everybody does that and we all treat people how we want to be treated, the world would be a better place, and so would school.
Mm-hmm. Do you have advice or suggestions for kids on the bus who are being SKR but others around them are not?
Another great question. So first, I want to say that I am super proud of everybody on the bus who is being SKR. Being safe, kind, and responsible on the bus and everywhere, especially when other people are not watching. The bus is very difficult because you have one bus driver and then sometimes 60 or 70 kids on the bus, so it can be very challenging. But if you are on the bus and you are a student who is being safe, kind, and responsible and others are not, some suggestions. So number one, it is okay for you to politely talk to another peer and say to them what they should be doing, but you have to make sure that you do that nicely, because we always, again, go back to the moral, right? Treat others the way you want to be treated. So you want to make sure you're being respectful when you do that. And then I think if that does not work, always make sure you tell your bus driver or you tell an adult if something needs to be addressed on the school bus, because I want you to know that you're not a tattletale, because when it comes to safety, that's always a priority for everybody. And so if you're doing something that helps keep everybody safe, then that's important. And so I want to make sure everybody knows that it's okay to do that. But it's also okay to make sure you remind other people about what it looks like to be safe, kind, and responsible on the school bus.
Do you see a lot of kids in your office because they are not treating others how they want to be treated? How would you use this moral in this situation?
So yes, sometimes I do see students in the office who have maybe forgotten what it looks like to be safe, kind, and responsible in school, or to treat others how they want to be treated. So what we do when we're in the office, I might ask them questions. I might actually ask them, how would you feel if somebody did that to you, right? So it almost takes your moral, right? Treat others how you would want to be treated. And I ask them that. How would you feel if this happened to you? Or what could you do differently next time instead of what you chose to do? Because, when people spend time in the office with me, it's not always just about consequences, but it's really reflecting on what happened and what we're going to do differently, because everybody makes mistakes. Kids make mistakes, adults make mistakes, but it's what we learn and what we do differently so that we don't continue to make the same mistakes again.
Thanks for watching.